question.
What a shit episode. Quick rundown. We prepped and painted the rotors, test fitted the Hydro Handbrake, and that needed some modifications. We drilled into the bracket, modified it so it would fit. That's installed. We removed the knuckles and the LCAs, and I can't get the wheel bearings off. So I need help.
Big hammer.
See if it lines up.
Sweet as.
Lines up. That's what we want. So now we've moved it a little bit further away, so there'll be some room between the cap and the center console plastics.
Oh, such a tidy setup. You could literally like run that on the street, I reckon.
I just love how that unbolt anything. I just slipped it straight underneath that plastic.
Oh yeah, didn't even have to cut the plastic.
Yeah.
No, how good.
That was easy. Behind here is the handbrake system, so we're just gonna have to pull the whole knuckle off. Alright, so this is the back side of the knuckle. We're gonna take these 4 bolts off. That will let the wheel bearing come off, and then we'll take the backing plate off, and then the insides of the handbrake. Alright, so I got a bit carried away and rust converted the LCA and the knuckle. And I ended up doing all in here. A lot nicer than it was.
What's happening? No, just cleaned it up heaps.
Yeah, we'll show you, like, done a little bit of like, just on there, because that was like super rusty.
Yeah, you
I
got
didn't prep it.
full OCD with it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that basically comes out and you replace it with a proper caliper in the kit.
Yeah. Honestly, if it comes out for you, I'm yeah, no, bro, you don't understand. I'm mashing it.
Oh, it's moved.
Does it? Maybe that was the other one that I didn't try. I only tried once. All I needed was the other dam. This dam couldn't do it.
It's scratched.
Maybe I need to stop going to the gym.
This one probably won't.
But I did WD-40 both of them.
Yeah.
And maybe it
That's
just...
what it's made to do. So
Yeah.
you hope it does work. Nah, brothers, this one is solid.
Is that the one?
Yeah. I think it moved. Must have just been... Yeah,
Hello?
ears.
Oh, yeah. We don't need earmuffs in here.
No, bro, my ears are screaming.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm right.
What, am I like deaf or something?
Yeah.
This isn't good. Oh, the battery's dead. What?
What you say?
Yeah, I was amazed when I saw it. I was like, look at this. Oh, sick. Killer. Yeah. So if anyone wants to buy us R33 stock handbrake kit, let me know.
Or if they were like a really heavy frisbee.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. We gotta take that off, Dan.
Why? Oh, new backing plates. I just hell jammed this on. No. Alright.
We know how to get them off.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice one, Dan. Take 2.
After watching the GK Tech video on how to actually do this properly, instead of just winging it and hoping for the best, we've figured out you need to cut these brackets off because they foul on the caliper. If you like line the bolt, you see
So this gets in the way.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to cut it about there. So there's clearance.
Yep. And GK Tech have also supplied us with these brackets, and we were looking at these thinking like, what the hell? Basically, all they are is a guide, so you put them over the top of the caliper, line them up with the bolt holes, and you just nip off that tiny little amount that's sticking out on the end, and then that means that when the calipers are mounted together, they won't foul at each other, because they sit so close to each other that you need to take off a tiny little bit. So yeah.
That's what we're about to do. Who let me use it? Hey?
Yep.
It's vibrant, it's like moving. That was clicked in.
Give it a mac!
I might be able to. I like to hitting shit with a hammer.
Woo!
Mate, that went continue.
Beautiful. Oh, what a clean brake as well.
Bad, no, not
Hell yeah. This one will be easy.
I'll just go straight off like that.
I'll hold my finger there so
Yeah,
I know where to cut.
They said cut the knuckle, not the bracket.
If that is the least of our worries so far, we are on a good one.
We're doing pretty
Yeah.
good.
We're just doing some rocket science, trying to figure out how to fit these GK Tech bloody caliper upgrade set.
Brother.
Yeah.
I don't even think that can help.
Oh, it's looking good, mate. We'll know straight away because it's a clearance issue. Yeah. We won't be able to bolt both calipers on. Just leave it at that, and then happy days.
Happy days.
Bloody beautiful. Nah, mate, I reckon we have gone about it arse over tit. Yeah, just bang it in like.
Hammer.
Oh, you know what to do? We'll put a clamp on this and just push that bush out the way. Here, just clamp. I just missed it. Literally a second.
That's right. Don't throw that bottom part of the thread, right? No.
Oh, a little bit.
That's right. We'll rethread it.
Do you have a die?
No, when we screw it in.
When we screw it in, so we'll. In other words, we'll the thread inside the.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's it. That's why I got the camera out, because I was like, we need to show that Brianna doesn't just film; she's also a car girl.
Yeah. Some hammer drill or something. What? I don't know these controls, man.
Loose, tighten, 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 and then. Look. Oh, don't drill there. Got him.
Come into my office, go straight through that hole. That's a seatbelt hole. So I just put one right above it. Beautiful. Alright, great progress. Dan's awesome installation of the handbrake is almost functional. I've just put the lines in. These are all GK Tech lines and they're all labelled. So basically it's one line from the handbrake to under the rear seat, and then it'll T-piece off both left and right sides through the holes that we've drilled here. It's all just labelled, so it's super straightforward. The line runs through there, hangs down here, and that is plenty enough coming out of there to go into the brakey boy. It's good.
So I think we're gonna have to all walk through this path. Alright,
we all have to walk across this children's play equipment.
Single file. Funny would it be if I just started running.
Yeah. Whoa, I didn't get that on camera. That was smooth, man. That was like one flick of the wrist on the door. Dan only spent about 2 hours yesterday painting these calipers.
Only? Oh.
How many times did you repaint them?
I wouldn't even be able to tell you.
It was a lot of times.
Me.
Have you ever been checked for OCD, bro? They're in here. Oh, how good.
The other ones will look like that, but you won't see the Nissan because there's that much spray putty on it. It actually filled in the knee.
Yeah.
You can just read it. A bit more spray putty should be right.
Yeah, a bit more.
Bloody minty, mate.
It even goes round, look. How good is that?
Whoa, don't mess up my paint. I spent a lot of time on this, mate. No, that looks sick, but not all rusty and shit now. It looks better nice. Better nice. That's what my mum would say. All right, we're going to install these. I think it's the other way around.
Got it.
You want me to hit it?
It's because the height.
No, it's the wrong way around. Oh, look at that. Look at that. No way. No way.
Nah, you made it look too easy. The car came with a free socket. There's just a socket on this bolt here.
Really?
Yeah.
Stuck on there.
What the
I think there's a reason why it's not coming off.
So this side, all the bolts and nuts are in. This is the last nut now. And then I've just got to tighten it up, put the sway bar back on. Sway bar.
Want to tell them what you're doing?
Just putting some conduit around this line.
Got me.
Dude!
Ouch.
Come back.
I'm just gonna...
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
You alright?
Yeah, just... Blood maybe a bit woozy.
Yeah.
And you wouldn't believe it. So Dan has just split his head open on the edge of the boot lid. The struts are meant to hold the lid up, but they don't. So you lift it. We're gonna pack up now, run him home, and then Aaron's gonna take him to the doctors.
You ready to work on some cars or what?
Oh,
Can't believe
that's
how
too
it ended.
funny. I can't believe that's how it ended.
What an episode.
With a bag of peas on your head.
We're on a roll as well.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we've had better days. Yeah. Last week you burnt your head with the turbo.
Oh no, another thing to this.
You're on a bad run.
Can win. I really hope there's not a third thing.
Yeah, like things coming through.
No more head injuries.
Yeah, nah, head injuries are no good.
I need this.
Yeah, no.
See you next episode.